I'm going to demonstrate how to start a tear tester unit up and set up a universal pendulum to do a free swing and a calibration swing. We have our 8376 tear tester here with our Spencer impact unit attached. As you can see, the unit is off, and I'm going to go ahead and start it up, and we will go through the setup screen, and then it will go to the testing screen. Currently it says ready for free swing. So you need to have this set up for the correct pendulum and the pendulum weight. I currently have got it set up for 400 grams. I'm going to go ahead and mount the 400 gram pendulum weight. It does have grooves that need to be aligned up right here, so you'll hear it click into place, and it will not rotate. So it's ready for a free swing. I do not have a calibration weight attached currently because this is a free swing. So we'll do our free swing, reset the pendulum, and at this point it says mount cal weight, press swing. So here's where the calibration weight goes, and you can see I have the 400 gram calibration weight, and it is marked. So you mount that right here, press swing, reset the pendulum, and then it says cal passed, remove cal weight. So remove this weight, only this weight. At that point you can touch the run button and it will go to the test screen, and now you are ready to start doing tear testing.